Welcome to Dubai, where food is more than just a meal. It is an adventure from rich spices to sweet treats. Dubai offers flavors from all over the world. But what are the dishes you just can't miss? In this video, we are counting down the top 5 must-try foods in Dubai that will make your taste buds dance. Let's dig in. Top 5 must try dishes in Dubai. Dubai is not only famous for its tall buildings and beautiful beaches, it is also a paradise for food lovers. The city is full of dishes from different cultures: Arabic, Indian, Persian, and more. If you are visiting Dubai, there are some foods you must try. Here are the top 5 dishes that you should not miss. Number 1, shawarma. Shawarma is one of the most popular street foods in Dubai. It is made with meat, usually chicken, beef, or lamb, that is cooked on a vertical spit. The meat is sliced, then wrapped in Arabic bread with garlic sauce, pickles, and sometimes fries. You can find shawarma in almost every corner of Dubai. It is cheap, tasty, and easy to eat while walking around. Many people say it is better than a burger. Where to try it? Al Moham, automatic restaurant, and small food stalls in Dera. Number 2, Mandi. Mandi is a traditional rice and meat dish that comes from Yemen, but it is very popular in Dubai too. It is made with basmati rice, chicken or lamb, and a special mix of Arabic spices. The meat is cooked slowly in a tandoor underground oven, so it becomes soft and juicy. Mandi is usually served on a big plate and shared with others. It's perfect for lunch or dinner if you want something filling and full of flavor. Where to try it? Beth Al Mandi, Al Marhabani, or Al Yaman Mandi. Number 3, Machboos. Machboos, also known as kabsa, is another delicious rice dish from the Gulf region. It is made with spiced rice, meat, chicken, lamb, or fish, onion, tomatoes, and dried lemons. The dried lemon gives it a unique taste, a little sour or very tasty. It's a traditional Emirati dish and is often served during family gatherings and special events. If you want to taste real local food, Machboos is a must. Where to try it? Al Fanar restaurant, Lugma, or local house. Number 4, Luqaimat. Temper sometimes sweet. Luqaimat are small golden dumplings made from flour, sugar, and saffron. They are fried until crispy on the outside and soft inside. After frying, they are covered in dates, syrup, and honey. Luqaimat is a traditional Emirati dessert usually eaten during Ramadan. They are sweet, sticky, and very addictive. You won't stop at just one. Where to try it? Local markets, global village, and restaurants like Al Hamya Heritage. Number 5, Haris. Haris is a very old and simple dish made from wheat and meat, usually chicken or lamb. The wheat and meat are cooked together for many hours until it becomes smooth like porridge. It doesn't have strong spices, but it is warm, soft, and comforting. This dish is popular during Ramadan and special holidays. It shows the traditional side of Emirati cooking, where food is made with love and patience. We are to try it. Traditional Emirati restaurants like Asila, Al Hema, or during Ramadan tents. Dubai is a city full of amazing food. Whether you like spicy, sweet, or salty, you will find something that makes you happy. These five dishes shawarma, mendi, Machboos, Luqaimat, and haris are part of Dubai's rich culture and history. So when you visit Dubai, don't just take pictures of the skyline. Take a bite of the real flavor of the city. Your stomach will thank you. Thanks for watching.